Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, duplicate the background now. Next, select the clothing with Quick Selection or the pen tool, be precise around seams. Once selected, refine the edge with a small feather, then choose Output to layer mask so only the clothing is affected. This creates a clean mask for color work. Make sure hair or shadows aren't unintentionally included. If needed, toggle the mask view to paint corrections with a small soft brush. To perfect the selection, before color, now add a hue/saturation adjustment layer and clip it to the masked clothing layer so the rest of the image stays unchanged. Move the hue slider to pick your target color, then fine-tune saturation and lightness to match fabric intensity. Change the adjustment layer's blend mode to color to retain highlights and texture. This keeps wrinkles and stitches believable. Once done, paint on the layer mask with black or white to correct spillover. If color shifts look flat, add a curves layer for contrast. Finish by cleaning edges and matching tones. Add a selective color or curves layer clipped to the clothing to tweak midtones and shadows so the color blends with the scene. Paint on the mask with a 50% opacity brush to soften transitions, and lower the adjustment layer opacity if the change reads unrealistic. If colors band or look posterized, switch the adjustment to color blend mode or try vibrance instead. And when nothing helps, sample nearby fabric tones and subtly match hue and luminance for a natural result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.